It's a love like a dream, a beautiful blur, the sweetest reality that ever there were. No shadows to chase, no tears in the night, just wrapped in a glow of a golden light. I'm drifting away on a velvet street, living a love like a dream. We're walking on clouds in the middle of town, and nobody else can ever bring us down. The colors are brighter, the edges are soft, every low whisper is carrying us aloft. It's a secret garden, a hidden place, reflected in every light.